Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in my Filmora 13 Masterclass. So in this particular video, we will explore text tool. So as you know that text tool is very important for our video. Text should look like so attractive and also it should contain proper animation. So in this particular lecture, we will understand how can we use text tool in Filmora 13. So let's start our video. But before starting our video, if you like this video, then you can give me good rating and please give me good comment so that I can make more videos in this particular course. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open your project file. So I will select image which I am going to use in my video, and also this is my pre-recorded voiceover, so I will select it too. Now I will click on open. As you can see, all files have been updated in my dashboard. Now I will drag it. First of all, I will drag and drop audio file on our timeline, and on the basis of this audio we will arrange our image. So let's use first image. This is our first image and we have to crop it. So in order to crop it, I will click on crop and zoom, and from here you can select 16:9, which is by default ratio 16:9, and I want that it should be start from big rectangle and end to small rectangle. Hit the apply button. Now if I will play this, hello everyone, if you are facing error it code, will look like this. Now in the same way I will add another images, and after that we will use text. Now let's add crop and zoom animation. I will go on pen and zoom, and this is our animation. Then what you have to do, now we have to use transition effect between these two images. We have to use transition between these two images because we want transition should be smooth. So I will go on transitions and I can download any of them. Let's drag and drop between them and let's play this. Mod Destiny 2. Then what you have to do, it is looking so professional. 3 files first. Now let's arrange another images. And now I want to add animation again. Crop and zoom, pen, now let's see our video file inside. I want to use transition between them. Let's use this transition effect. Now let's play our video. Hello everyone, if you are facing error code Mod Destiny 2, then what it is looking so professional. Now it's time to add our text. THR 4x0EF29. You will find this file. So on the basis of audio I will add text of D. Now it's time to add our text. So let's try this. It will look like this. Now what do you have to do, we have to drag and drop it in our timeline and we can select its duration. So our intro is till 5 seconds, so it should be appear till the 5 seconds too. Now let's play this. Hello everyone, if you are facing now in the place of top 10 we can change another text. Similar we can change best audio design. Similar we can change in 2021. So let's change everything. So how to fix here you can add any text which will depend upon your topic. Error code mermod. How to fix mermod error code. This is our title and it will look like so professional when you will play it. And we can change its location. Here we have to enter our game name, which is Destiny 2. Now if I will play this, it will look like so professional. Hello everyone, if you are facing error code mermod Destiny 2, then here we have to enter another text on the basis of our audio file. So we will use another theme, which is this, and let's type 3 files. First, on the basis of audio we will type our text. Here you have basically I want to type here you have to delete 3 files. So on the basis of audio I will type it. Okay, first file is here you have to delete 3 files. Now I will type files, delete 3 files, and we can change its rotation so it will look like so funky. Now let's play this. Then what you have to do, you have to delete 3 files. First file is catch. Now I want to enter which file I want to delete. So let's drag and drop this 3D ice title on timeline. Now if I will play this, then let's see how it will look like. PHR this 4 times 0 this is our 3D text. So I will copy our file which we want to delete according to our video, and I will double click on it, double click and paste. Now we can adjust its size too. You have to arrange its size, it will not auto arrange. Now let's play this. PHR 4 times 0 EF29. You will find this file. We can change its effect too. Now let's see how it will look like. PHR 4 times 0 EF29. You will find this file inside. It is not looking so clear, so I will use another text. Golden year. PH and paste. Okay, it is looking fine. HR4x0EF29. You will find this file. Now we have to enter again another text. So what you have to do, we have to select a desirable text from here. So I will drag and drop here, and now I will paste on it. And again we have to arrange its size. And we can change color of any text. Like if I will select Steam games, then I can change its color. Inside following locations, in the place of D, it could be different for you. And if you want to extend its duration, then you can simply drag and drop. Suppose you have installed your game in E drive, then you have to, at this time I want that this title should be from here to here, so I will simply drag and drop here. Again we have to enter our text, so I will simply drag and drop here and double click on it and copy and paste our matter. It will look like this. It is so simple. We can change its font from here. We can change its color. We can bold it. We can click on italic. We can change its font too. And finally we can adjust its size. And you have to delete Steam API 64 and Steam network. Now I will copy again our matter and simply paste on it. Double click on text, copy and paste. Again we have to arrange its size. This is how you can use text tool. And finally we have to end this video with subscribe button. So I will go on stickers and simply drag and drop subscribe button, and I will select its duration. Now it will look like this. Then you can subscribe my YouTube gaming channel Born to Play Games for more. So thank you for watching this video.